excited. Remember, this is a review. Pretty much everything we've learned all year. Here we go. Jules, where are you? Fill in the missing number. Here it goes. Who's the fastest? 9 equals or is the same as 10 minus what? Two answers already. Remember, both sides of the equation need to be equal. What can make them equal? Oh, yes. So easy. So this was a missing subtrahend, not a missing addend. Subtrahend is what we call something that we're subtracting. Yeah, because sub, get it, subtract, and add, get it, addend. Yeah, so that's helpful to understand. This one, you had to find the missing subtrahend to help you balance the equation. So it's too easy, too easy. Look at those scores. You guys are all pretty much the same. Using the number bond, subtract to solve the equation. Write the related subtraction sentence. Ooh, I see it. I see it. Only one of those responses will show not only the missing part of the number bond, but also a related fact. So let's look at the yellow one. That's the correct answer. 8 minus, no, it was 10 minus 2 equals 8, or 8 minus 8, 10 minus 8 equals 2. That was what it was. 10 minus 8 equals 2. So 2 is the first part of the answer. Then we had to go look at a related fact. And that was the only one that made sense. If you chose the blue one, 5 would not work in that number bond. It wouldn't make any sense, right? 8, 2, 5, that wouldn't make any sense. So they don't add up together. They don't solve each other. They wouldn't make a true equation. Number bonds are true equations. All right. So let's see how we did. Let's try the next one. Okay, this is easy. Fill in the missing part. Choose 2 subtraction equations that would match the number bond. First, solve the number bond. 6 plus something equals 10. Then go find the equations that would match. They have to be subtraction, though. Oh, so the correct answer was the red one. Why did we not all get the red one? Let's find out why. Okay, you ready? 6 plus something equals 10. 6 plus 4. Got that. All right, we got that. It's 4. 4 is the missing part of the number bond. Then we had to go find subtraction problems that would match the number bond. So let's look at the red one. 10 minus 6 equals 4. That makes sense. That's a subtraction. That uses the numbers from our number bond. And what about the next part of it right here? Can you see my cursor? Here's the second one. 10 minus 4 equals 6. Also a subtraction, also using the right and the correct number bond numbers. And it makes sense. Let's go find out why the blue one does not work. 6 plus 6 does not equal 10. If you thought that that first missing addend was 6, it wouldn't work, because 6 plus something equals 10. If you put another 6 in there, it doesn't equal 10. So that number bond wouldn't make any sense. So get rid of that one. Number bond has to make sense. Let's try the yellow one. Why isn't this one right? It has a 4. Oh, I see why. Because it doesn't see the first equation, 10 minus 10 equals 0. You let strangers in the house. Remember, the equations have to have 10, 4, and 6, not a 0, not another 10. All right, loves, let's try the next one. Oh my goodness, who is this on top? Adeline and Siddharth. Whew. Siddharth, you're on fire. Solve the bar model below. All right, so here's a part whole. Some birds were in the tree, 2 flew away, then there were 6 birds. What's the whole? What were they before? Put the two parts together fast. Yay, that was so easy. I love that one. Definitely. They needed to know how many birds were there before they flew away. So put the two parts together. The birds that are still there and the birds that flew away, you have the total. All right, let's go on to number 5. Solve the bar model below. Remember part, whole. Now we do already have our whole. See, there are 10 buttons. 3 of them are small. What's the other part? The big ones. The bigger buttons. Yes. Oh, you guys are good. Really good. Did you know that bar models, these part, whole models, are the same as number bonds? Oh, they just put them in squares instead of circles. Anybody see that? it's it's a number bond. Yes. Oh, I get it now. Okay. Ooh, wowee. All right, let's do the next one, and we're almost done. Only 3 more questions. Choose the correct subtraction sentence. Let's read it first. 10 ducks are at the pond. All the ducks fly away. How many ducks are still there? Huh? There were 10 ducks at the pond. They all flew away. How many are left? Oh, you know what? I was certain we'd all get this right. Let's find out what happened. What happened? All right, so there are 10 ducks. Put up your 10 ducks. Quick, show me your 10. All 10. All 10. Now have them all fly away. 10 minus 10. What's left? Nada. Nothing. Zippo. Zilchi. Right?
0.
So let's write the equation. 10 minus 10 equals a nothing. 0. Which one is that? A. Oh, if you act it out, you'll get your answer. You got to act it out like you're on stage. 10 minus 10. Oh, I get it. All right, so let's go on to the next one. 2 more. Woohoo. He's on fire. Andy's on top. Oh my goodness. All right, let's try the last 2 questions. Use the pictures to compare. Choose the correct subtraction sentence below. So look at the butterflies. Look at the flowers. Find a subtraction problem that will help you compare to see who has less or who has more. If anyone picks green, I'm going to, oh, thank goodness. Oh, thank goodness. I was going to go back to bed. Green is not right. Forget that one. All right, let's find out why the red one is not correct. Everybody put up 7 fingers. Try to take off 9. You can't do it. It doesn't make sense. So look at that. You started with a small number for subtraction. Ooh, I'm going to have to eat you for lunch. Nope, can't do that. So 7 minus 9 does not make sense. You can't do it. It's impossible. Try the yellow one. That one's right. 9 fingers. And now we can take off 7 of them. Eat 7 fingers. Ah, that one does make sense. All right, so make sure that your problems make sense. Okay, let's go on. I had a few people who didn't pick an answer on that one. Let's make sure we all choose an answer. Last one. Read the word problem below and solve it. Jared has 8 pictures. He gives some to Wendy, and now he only has 2 pictures left. How many pictures did Jared give Wendy? 8, and now he only has 2 left. How many did he give her? Oh, I like the fingers, Jules. 8. Where's 8? Oh, more of you got it right. But this is something for you to practice, which is, I don't know, why I did this today to make sure that you know what you're doing to help you find missing add-ins subtraction, understand number bonds, all this stuff. It's important that we practice these. It's going to be on tests. All right, let's talk about it, and then we will unmute and chat. All right, so give us a second more. Pay attention. Here we go. Jared had 8. Let's put up 8 fingers, just like Mr. Julian did. 8 fingers. Make sure you have 8. Look at them. Look at your fingers. Now, take away the part you know. Cut off 2 fingers. Quick. Boop, boop. How many are left? If you said 6, you got it right. Oh, Miss Cruz, I get it now. To find the missing part, the part we didn't know, how many he gave, just subtract what you know. 8 minus the part you know is 2. Think of it as a number bond. You have 8. The big number is 8. And you take away the part, the little part, 2. You'll find the missing addend or subtrahend. All right, guys. Why isn't blue going to help? Because you added. Don't add. You had to find the missing part. You could subtract to find the missing part, right? 8 take away. Oh, Julian. Oh, Siddharth. I know who this is. Addie. Wow, wonderful job. Good job to everybody. Thank you, Josh and Jaden. Also, great work. You know what you need to practice, don't you? All right, let me stop sharing so I can see your cute faces. We're done. Any questions?
That was quick.
I know. It was a quick practice, but listen, it was an important practice because guess what? Some of you need to practice a few of those very important skills, don't you? Yeah. So it's good that we went over it so you can figure out, wait a minute, I need to work on a few things. Be honest with yourself. I always have to fix things, go over things, review things. Yeah.
I get some of the questions wrong.
That's totally fine. As long as you now know what to practice, you're golden. Okay. Who's coming to the party tomorrow?
I am.
Yeah, you are. I have my Christmas hat. Are you going to wear a hat?
Yeah. I have a I'm going to wear a Santa Claus hat or an elf hat.
Oh, so who else is going to dress up like Julian and me? Joshua, what are you going to wear? Santa with a big pillow and underneath so you have like a big belly? Is Jaden going to have a big white beard?
I don't know what I'm going to have.
You don't have to wear a beard. You could just wear a red shirt or a green shirt, right?
Actually, I think I have no Christmas clothes. I forgot.
Oh, that's okay. How about Addie dresses up like reindeer? What do you think? I'm gonna put some antlers on. Antlers. And what about Siddharth? Maybe Siddharth is an elf. Oh, he's gonna have those big pointy elf ears.
Or an elf hat.
That's right. I think mine is like an elf hat. I don't know. I don't have the ears though on mine. All right, my loves, if there are no questions and you now know what to practice, okay, making sure you understand the missing part, that a number bond is just like a part. Yeah, bye. Keep going.
Bye.
Practice, practice.
Bye. Bye, everyone.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.